Transcription jobs for beginners. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you about multiple websites where you can work as a transcriber and start to earn money online. Now I do have to tell you that this video is in no mean by a quick get rich money scheme type of video. I'm basically going to tell you about a couple of sites with which you can go over there and work and then earn a decent amount of income, and if you enjoy that work you can turn it into a full-time gig as well. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So the first website that I have for you guys is called Scribby.com. Now Scribby.com is an amazing website where people come and transcribe audio. Now what is a transcription? Basically content creators such as YouTubers and other people that make documentaries or video type content, they want to have a written version of their audio as well. So basically they can turn that written version into subtitles or captions or whatever you want to call it. That is why transcribers are very important in the media business, where they get a decent amount of money. So you can transcribe videos, dictations, speeches, depositions, and many more. And over here at Scribby, as you can see, their rates starting at 10 cents per minute. So basically you'll get the lowest 10 cents per minute audio, and then you get at least 80 cents per minute annually. Basically this is what they will charge you for your audio, but we're not here to get our audio transcribed. We're here to transcribe audio. We're here to basically work. We're here to find a job. So what you can do that when you come over to sites like these, you want to come over here and scroll down. So when you scroll down over here, as you can see, this is the option where I want you to come over. Over here, all you have to do is sign up as a transcriber, set up a PayPal account, and take a transcription test, and that is basically it. So simply click on sign up as a transcriber, and over here they are going to be telling you an overview and introductions and requirements and stuff like that. So in the overview you will have a home-based job, which is pretty cool. I think basically like freelancers like I am right now, basically you get to stay at home and work at your convenience. You can work at your own hours and you can eat, sleep however you want. You can have a relaxing time and then you work, then have a break, then work again, have a break, and you repeat. That also depends upon whatever you want to do, but basically this is a home-based job and you can earn up to $5 to $25 per audio hour pay rate. Basically what that means is, and now that is a little confusing, let me clear that up. Basically you won't be getting paid per hour, you will be getting paid per hour transcription. They will calculate how many hours of audio you have transcribed and then they will pay you accordingly. Now this method can also be beneficial to you as well. Basically if you work for an hour and within that 1 hour you have transcribed more than an hour worth of audio, basically you will earn more money. That's plain and simple. So there is an opportunity to earn more money than a regular hour when it comes to audio hours as well. And within those hours you will able to work for short files such as 10 minutes or less. You will have 2 hours TATs for each file as well, so that's around 2.5 hours of work I think. And you will have free automated transcripts to save you around 60% of typing effort. Basically they also give you a software that will help you to transcribe most of your audio so that you don't have to complete the audio by yourself. And also you get awarded a good performance, become a reviewer, and then proofreader, and then a QC. That's a reward system that they have planned. So basically if you work hard you'll get promoted, and you get the gist of it. Then you will have a monthly bonus of $5 per every 3 hours completed as well. So I'm sure that 5 hours for $3 sounds less, but when you compile it for a month, it's a big number, guys, don't worry. And you will have no obligations, no monthly commitments or withdrawal limits as well. They don't assign files. You get to preview and choose the file you want to work on, which I think is pretty awesome as well. And then down below we have requirements. You have to have a good comprehension of English, the ability to interpret conversations, the ability to apply context and identify mistakes as well, a verified PayPal account, laptop/computer, and an internet connection, headphones or headsets, and the latest version of Firefox, Chrome, or a Safari, or whichever web browser you use. And that basically is, and this is the transcription process. Now this process is going to be same for all the other websites that I'm about to show you guys, so don't worry about that as well. So basically you will have a file splitting. Basically it means that in the first step the audio file is split at 6 minutes interval. Basically if you have a longer file they will split it up into 6 minutes, and then you will have raw transcriptions. Basically in this step the audio for each part of file is played back and transcribed as accurately and cleanly as possible. The incomprehensible parts are marked with blanks. Now over here comes that software that I told you about earlier when I was talking about the overview section. That software is going to do most of the work, and then the incomprehensible parts are going to be marked with blanks, and then you come in and fix the mistakes of the software and can correct and submit as per your guidelines as well. And then part number 3 is review, where during review the raw transcript is checked for comprehensiveness and quality. The audio file is played back again, and each transcribed word is checked against the audio, and the blanks are filled if possible. Timestamps and speaker tracking are also added at this stage as well. And then we have part number 4, proofreading. In this step, all the part files are collected together and the combined transcript is checked against the audio once more, so that we can have a confirmation that the audio and the text file are both similar. And then we have quality checks, and this is the last step. And in this step, the transcript quality is checked and is either delivered to the customer or reproofread as well. So make sure you do a proper check. Now this is an easy work, but it is a hectic work and it takes a lot of hard work and effort to do so, but it also pays just as good as well. So keep that in mind, guys. So this was it for Scribby. As I told you, they give out $5 to $25 per audio hour, and they have bonuses as well. And then they have a pretty decent amount of workload as well. I think it's probably one of the best sites out there. Over here, they have the potentially monthly earnings as well. So only transcriptions, you will be able to make $200 to $300 just by transcribing audio. And then if you are a transcription and reviews, you will be able to earn up to $500. And then if you are a proofreader as well, you will be able to earn somewhere between $500 to $600. And then if you are at the final stage, basically you're a transcriptionist, a reviewer, a proofreader, and a QC, you will be able to earn anywhere between $7,000 to $1,000 per month, which I think is pretty awesome, guys. As I said, this is a very hectic work. It takes a lot of effort, but it pays just as good as well. Now that we know about Scribby, let's move on to the second website. Now, I'm not going to be going into in depth of all the other websites because the process is similar. Now, I'm just going to be checking them out and giving you the overview of websites and telling you which pays more and which one has a better quality of staff and customer reviews and stuff like that. So you don't have to worry about that. The first one, I just went into a little more details than I needed to so that you guys can understand what type of work it is and how you basically do it. The process is going to be similar on all of the rest of the websites. So the website number 2, we have rev.com. Now rev.com is also a pretty recognized website where for transcriptions, where people come over here and convert audio and video to text. So it's trusted by over 170,000 plus customers across all the industries, and they have media such as CBS, PBS, Viacom, TCOM, and in the educations they have Duke University, Texas University, and University of Michigan and UCLA, and then they have some legals and marketing and many more. So we know that a lot of companies support rev.com, and I'm sure that you've also seen some ads about rev.com on your computer or on the internet or on the television as well, because I clearly remember seeing ads about rev.com. So let's just jump into it. So right over here in services, now for transcriptions, basically if you want to get your audio paid, over here are going to be transcriptions. But since we're here to work, let's come down over here, scroll down at the bottom, and we're going to find out how we can become a transcriptionist. So let's go over here at audio and video transcriptions. So over here, this is the place where you have to enter in, but we're trying to become a transcriptionist, not to transcribe one as well. So over here, we have services, we have transcriptions, we have rough draft, we have captions, we have foreign subtitles, we have live captions as well, and we have speech to text API. So as you can see, Rev pays more than freelance than Scribby, but it is a pretty well recognizable website, and it gives us more options as well. Not just transcriptions, but it also gives us the options of a captionist or a foreign subtitles. And if you scroll down below, we will see more jobs such as free call recorder, voice recorder app, transcription app, online voice recorder, audio trimmer / cutter, transcribe audio to text, and automated transcription as well. So that is pretty cool as well. And they also provide closed captions and many more. So that was it for rev.com. I think it's a pretty nice website. You can come over here and check it out for yourself. I'm just going to simply show you all the websites that I talk about. You can choose which website is best for you. And then we have gotranscript.com. Now this one is pretty similar to Scribby, and it also is over here. Basically, you have two transcriptions, review, proofreading, and then quality checks, as I said before. But let's check out the payment method and how much it pays. And they also provide a transcription cost calculator. Basically, if you want to calculate the costs, you can come over here and calculate it and see if you are at a advantage or at a loss depending upon your work. And this is a pretty amazing website. As I said before, it's pretty similar to Scribby, so you don't have to worry about all the other services as well. Now over here, if you want to like work for Go Transcripts, just come over here, and down over here you will see for transcriptionists, and over here you will click on work and you will be able to join their transcription team. So you don't have to worry about that. As I said, the process is exactly the same. They will give you a transcription, they will give you a audio file, and split that audio file. You will transcribe it, you will send it for review, and then for proofreading, and then they will check it for quality check. And if it is at 99 or above 99, they will send it to the client or send it back for reproofreading. So that is it for gotranscript.com. Now this was also a pretty good website. I'd say it's better than rev.com, but that's just my opinion. And then for finally, we have QA World. Now this is also a pretty amazing website, and over here right at the beginning at the home screen they give you its requirements. So you need to have good typing skills and a strong command of English language. You will be able to produce high quality transcripts for audio calls, and their requirements are you have to be able to have an access to a computer, laptop, either a desktop as well, and internet, and a pair of headphones. And you don't need to own a computer, you only need to have an access one. Basically you can go over to an internet cafe where they have plenty of computers. So if you don't have a computer, you can just go over there and work, and then save up money until you are able to buy your own PC. Now to apply for this job, just simply enter in your name and then just tell them how you found out about this website, clear the reCAPTCHA and click on apply, and then that will take you to their main page where they will ask you some other questions and interview you. And if you pass that interview, they will hire you as a transcriber for their website. So that was it for this video, guys. In this video I just showed you 4 different websites for transcribing audio, and all 4 of them were pretty nice. So if you have any questions about this video or about this gig or how this job basically works, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And having said that, if you guys did enjoy this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. And I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.